Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to re-download purchased songs in iTunes. Let's begin. So, yes, don't freak out. So say for example, if you've purchased a lot of songs already and you've deleted them by mistake, or maybe someone is playing your phone, or maybe your phone has been corrupted, or there's so much reasons why your downloaded songs can be like you can lose basically your downloaded songs in iTunes. But don't be afraid, because for all purchased songs in iTunes, there's a way for you to re-download them. So I'll show you how. You can also do this in desktop, or in your computers where you could access iTunes. Both Windows and MacBook can have the same function. What I'm doing right now is just a mobile version. Okay, so say for instance I would want to go to see if you look at downloads. So I don't have my downloads anymore, and I would want to re-download them. So all you need to do is just go to purchase. From there, so say I purchased music, and then it would see the song that I purchased. If just for example, for this one, just for Disturb, I just need to tap on download all that you have in your top right. And then once you hit on that, that's pretty much it. You'd be able to download all your all your purchased songs in iTunes. And then you could also go to if you go to apple.com, support at apple.com. There's also a step by step for you on how to do that. Just search on how to download purchase songs, and then they will give you like a step by step. All right. So I hope I taught you something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.